The National Testing Agency released the provisional CUET 2022 answer key in online mode. The CUET answer key has been released on the official website at cuet.samarth.ac.in. Students who have appeared in the entrance exam can check their answer key on the online portal at NTA CUET website. Candidates can raise objections against the CUET 2022 answer key till September 10 by using their application number and password. Common University Entrance Test or CUET is a statewide entrance exam held by NTA for admissions to undergraduate courses offered by 44 central universities and 46 other universities. How to challenge CUET 2022 answer key? Visit the official website of NTA CUET, cuet.samarth.ac.in. Click on the Sign In tab. Fill in your CUET application number, password and security PIN. Then click on the Login button. The new window will open up on the computer screen. Click on the View Challenge Answer Key. Challenge the CUET 2022 answer key according to your questions. Download the answer key and keep it for future reference.